Hi, my name is David Swan. I'm the CTO here at LINQ. I'm going to show you a new capability we call cost allocation in the LINQ platform. We're quite excited about it, and we think you're going to find it important because it's going to allow you to calculate the cost of every information output in your organization. For example, let's take this sales report here. The sales report is made up of these three sources, and you'll see the respective capture costs of those sources, and you'll see the cost of the combination action, which is actually generating the sales report. Add all of those costs up, and logically enough, the sales report costs $7,000 to produce. It gets a little more complicated than that because one of the huge advantages of information is its ease of reuse. So let's have a look from the perspective of source 3. So here we see source 3. Its capture was costing $3,000, but now you'll see that it is being reused. In addition to producing the sales report, it's producing the board report, and it's also supporting this revenue earning website. So since it's being reused three different ways, logically enough, that cost of $3,000 is split $1,000 here, $1,000 there, $1,000 there. If I now add the cost up here of $1,000, you'll now see that the $1,000 are allocated up there, added to the $1,000 there equals $2,000. So you begin to see the logic of cost allocation building up. Those of you who've been using LINQ for some time will recall that we allow you to value different outputs. So it's fairly obvious that a revenue earning website is far more important than a board report is more important than a sales report. So by showing value in the visualization panel, you can see that we've assigned a business value index of 10 out of 10 because that is critical to the business, 8 out of 10 because that's required from a regulatory perspective, and 2 out of 10 for a sales report. And you'll see that LINQ adds those values down here to make 20. So if I now switch on value weighted cost allocation, you'll see something subtle happens. Of that $3,000, 10/20ths, so half, is allocated up here, $1,500. 8/20ths, so $1,200 allocated up here, and then 2/20ths, okay, so 2/20ths of 3,000, 300, adding onto the 1,000 here. So that value weighted cost allocation brings a bit more subtlety to how we allocate costs away. Now if we start threading that together, you can start seeing that we are able to recognize source 3's role in producing that sales report, and also simultaneously its role in supporting the board report and the revenue earning website. As you can imagine, as you build up your information supply chains across your whole organization, you're going to get some valuable insights about how much it costs to produce various information outputs, and then ask that fundamental question, is it worth it? And we think that's quite important. Thank you for listening. Please go to our website, www.linq.it, and there'll be plenty of articles up about cost allocation there. Thank you.